The prosecution has submitted formal charges against oust Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina at the International Crimes Tribunal (ICT) this morning in a case filed over crimes against humanity committed during the July-August mass uprising. ICT Chief Prosecutor MD Tajul Islam disclosed the information at a discussion on immediate trial of the persons involved in enforced disappearances at National Press Club on Saturday. Human rights organization Odhikar organized the discussion on the occasion of the International Enforced Disappearances Week, where the Chief Prosecutor was present as main discussant. Charges of crimes against humanity against oust Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, former Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal and former IGP Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun have been submitted to ICT today.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।